Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the floorcare.biz x17SS side-by-side. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So right here is the rubber shroud for your machine. If it's damaged in any way, you got to replace it. Super simple. There are two Phillips screws, one on each side near the back wheels. You want to go ahead and remove those screws. And now we can just go ahead and take off the rubber skirt. Just like that. Now get your new rubber skirt. Line it back up along the base of the machine. That's a little tricky because you got to kind of pull tight to get this hole lined up. Quick tip, if you want to take off the wheels, makes it a little easier. So just line up the screws. Get them started. Tighten them back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.